Common versus advanced English words. Common words, advanced words. Important, crucial. Increase, enhance. Decrease, diminish. Change, alter. Talk about, discuss. Finish, complete. Continue, persist. Beautiful, gorgeous. Big, enormous. Fast, rapid, slow, leisurely. Think, consider. Important, significant. Necessary, essential. Smart, intelligent. Tired, exhausted. Angry, furious. Sad, sorrowful. Happy, delighted. Help, assist. Try, endeavor. Start, commence. End, conclude. Get, obtain. Give, provide. Use, utilize. Show, demonstrate. Say, state. Tell, inform. Need, require. Want, desire. Ask, inquire. Buy, purchase. Build, construct. Make, manufacture. Fix, repair. Break, fracture. Eat, consume. Choose, select. Stop, seize. Keep, retain. Begin, initiate. Go on, proceed. Look for, seek. Think about, contemplate. Improve, ameliorate. Solve, resolve. Destroy, demolish. Remove, eliminate. Show, exhibit. Ask for, request. Say sorry, apologize. Get better, recover. Bring together, unite. Talk to, communicate. Help, aid. Talk about, debate. Tell, notify. Cut, reduce. Rise, escalate. Fall, decline. Think deeply, reflect. Work hard, strive. Look after, supervise. Stop, halt. Give up, surrender. Put up, postpone. Look at, examine. Find out, discover. Say no, refuse. Come back, return. Go up, increase. Go down, decrease. Show up, boast. Hurry, hasten. Ask again, retreat. Get rid of, eradicate. Think of, devise. Tell clearly, clarify. Explain, elucidate. Support, advocate. Follow, adhere. Help, facilitate. Join, participate. Keep away, avoid. Bring back, restore. Take part, engage. Stop, discontinue. Call off, cancel. Say yes, approve. Take care of, nurture. Say again, repeat. Look into, investigate. Go through, experience. Make better, improve. Make worse, worsen. Give back, return. Go before, proceed. Come after, succeed. So dear viewer, if you have liked the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.